This is campsite SD33 in Laramie, Wyoming, and at first glance, it looks like a simple pull-through site. But this is where RV parking gets interesting. I'm bringing Bertie Bea in with Rosie in tow, and the entrance has fencing on both sides. On the driver's side, there's a pipe and cinder block fence. On the passenger side, there's a snow type fence. My bigger concern wasn't Bertie Bea clearing the pipe and cinder block side. It was making sure Rosie didn't track into the snow fence behind me. The goal here wasn't just to get into the site. The goal was to get in clean, protect Bertie Bea, protect Rosie, and already be thinking about tomorrow morning's exit. That's why I didn't park perfectly straight. As Bertie Bea comes around, Rosie has to follow, and the toad doesn't always take the exact same path as the motorhome. This rear camera view shows the fence line I was watching as Rosie came through, and this final parked angle is intentional. We're only here one night, so tomorrow morning should be a slight left, then a hard right, and we're gone. Sometimes rolling smooth means parking for the exit, not the picture.